Well, hello there. My name is Marion Brand from Brand Fitness, and today I'm in my home. Grab a mat because we'll be coming down to the floor. Get your equipment ready, and I will meet you over on your workout floor. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out all my links below for all my programs. I'll have a free walking workout challenge if you want to try that. And we're going to come grab your mat. And we're going to come down to all fours. We'll start with a pointing dog, and you will need some weights for a chest press. I'm so nice to you today because I'm not making you do push-ups. We're going to come down to all fours first. So we'll be here, and you're going to, one leg goes out, straight, opposite arm with your thumb up. Keep your neck straight, hold. And then the other side. So leg goes straight. It's like someone's pulling your leg out, elongate. And then reach. Keep your neck straight. And you want your hips straight too. Other side. Leg goes straight out. Lift. Breathing. And then down, other side. Lift out. And then come down, just stretch. I'm gonna do a plank pass through. You're gonna be mad at me. So you're gonna have one weight or no weight. I'm coming up to all fours. I'm gonna be right over top of my arms. My feet are wide and my core is engaged. Watch you're not way up here, just straight. I'm gonna take this, pass it through, and then pass through. Pass through. 4. Still going. Oh, I can feel this. Let's do 4 more. Or just hold if you can't do this. 3, 2. You want to try to keep as centered as you can. And last one. Okay. That's definitely worked for me. So just rest. We're going to be laying down, doing a chest press. So let's flip over. I'll do a twist first so that your heart rate can come down. Up tall. I'm just gonna twist, like elbow down low. Reach. And then reach. Still going. Reach. Now, if this hurts your lower back, then just come up a bit taller. If it really hurts your back, if you have one of these little ball things or something, you can even have that behind you. Some people have those at home. 2 more. And last one. And we're good. So next up, we'll be laying down. Now we're doing chest press. I want your heavier weights if you have them. So we're here, chest is out, shoulders are back. My arms are about a 45 degree and I'm gonna press up and then lower down. Option, let's hold the legs up, press, lower down. I can feel lower abs, and down. Push through that chest. I'm burying my shoulder blades back. And I'm concentrating on pressing with my chest. We're going. A few more. Last 2. Oh, I think I should do 2 more for good luck. So you can really feel it. Press. 1 more. We'll put 1 weight down. I will do a pull over. So I have room. So 1 weight, arms go back, and I'm gonna pull with my lats. And I'm going to go into a bridge. So lift, coming down, come up, down, and lift. So pull over, Definitely feel those lats working and the glutes, hamstrings. Still going. I can feel it. It's definitely working. Let's do 2 more. And 1 more. I'm going back to the chest press. So grab the other weight and legs are up again. And we're just gonna press, lift, lower down. If you wanna add the legs, so one leg goes out and then come back in, a little bit of coordination. Oh, I'm feeling that from the last round. Ooh. Still going. Press. And press. And press. Chest is out. Shoulder blades are buried back. I hope you can feel this because I certainly am. Let's do 4 more. 4. And 3. Last 2. 1 more. I'm gonna do 1 pullover. And let's come up, lift, lower down, right into it. The bridge is really good for your lower back as well. So lift, and lift. You can feel the lats. We'll do 4 more, we're running out of time here. 4, 3, and last 2, and last 1. Right away we'll go into some abs. So bicycles, out and in, out, out. So I just have fingertips behind my head. 4 more of these. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Rest your head, scissors. So you can have your hands under your bum, coming down low if you want, as long as your back is okay. Or keep your legs up high. Oh, it's working. Still going. Oh, 4 more. Oh, 2 more. One last one. Let's put those legs down to the ground. Modified sit up. Just come up and then down. Slow. Reach up. Hold down. Reach. Hold. And hold. If you want to pull that belly button in, but not sucked in, just controlled. We're going. Let's pulse down. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Come down. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. We're doing 1 more and we're done. And just stretch it out. Oh, it feels so good. We are so done. We're just going to do a quick stretch. From here, you want to lift 1 leg. You can stretch out that hamstring. Try to touch your foot. See how that feels. This leg goes across your knee. Pull up. Oh, I can feel that. Other side, leg goes straight. Feel that stretch in the hamstring. Flex that foot. Take that leg across your knee and pull up. And then back down. We're gonna sit up, all the way up. And from here, cross-legged, come forward. So a nice stretch through the hip. You can even walk your hands out a bit. That feels good. Come to one side. to one side, back to center, other side, back to center, all the way up. We're gonna go into the quad. So I'm just putting one leg back and pushing my hip forward for my quad. And then the other side, push that hip forward. Sitting up tall again. Arm is across your chest. And here. Other side. Bring this arm up. We're gonna reach back, just stretch, put your head back. And then we're gonna just take a deep breath, all the way up. Down one more time, nice deep breath. And give yourselves a hand. You did awesome. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.